In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use a split screen to take some notes in NoodleTools. You'll see on the right that my sample project is open and I've already cited this source. One of the nice features of NoodleTools is for a database article or a website, it creates a persistent link, which I've used to open this article back up on the left-hand side. I'm going to go across the top and open up the note card field, which gives me a blank template that I can use to take some notes. The first thing that I want to do is to link the note card, the information, to my source. Now I know that anything I record on this note card comes from this article. Over on the right, you'll see that there's a space, a field for the URL if you're working off of a website, or the page number if you're working on a print source. We're mainly going to focus on recording information on the left side of the card. It's also a good idea to make your own personal note in your own words to remind yourself why you thought that this information was important, or to even ask a question that you might want to try to find out more about as you continue your research. If it's helpful, you can create tags. So for example, if you had a subtopic related to the main topic, so immigration and taxes, immigration and illegal immigration, you could tag these cards and sort them that way when it's time to put together your final project. So here, I'm just going to focus on this one paragraph that talks about immigrants creating companies that produce new jobs. So we can say 2 times likely to start a company, and we're going to say Google, Yahoo, eBay. I'm watching me type horribly. All started by immigrants, small business, 2. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is just to bullet out or summarize the important facts in the paragraph. I would discourage you from copying and pasting unless it's a quote or some information that you absolutely can't put in your own words. So in other words, the meaning would be changed, or it would be less powerful without using the quote from the article. Once I'm happy with this, maybe I want to put a title up here. Again, the more you break down the information, the easier it is to sort it and put together your final project. So I'm just going to put this business. And on the right, I'm going to hit save and close. Now you'll see that I have a couple of cards to work with here. Business economic growth. If I wanted to, as I get more information, I could drag these around, I could color code them and tag them as I mentioned.